Happy Monday, everybody. Today's topic, the unsung hero of keto. And what is that? It's fat. Welcome to the Daily Spoonful. I'm the Primal Professor, and today we're giving fat the spotlight it deserves. When people hear the word fat, they often think of something negative. But on a ketogenic diet or a low-carb diet, dietary fat isn't just okay, it's essential. Fat is your body's primary fuel source when carbs are low. It provides satiety, it supports hormone production, and it helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Many newcomers undereat fat out of fear it will make them fat. It's hard after years we've been told not to do that. But here's the truth. Fat doesn't make you fat. Insulin does. And when you keep carbs low and protein moderate, healthy fats keep you energized and satisfied. Think butter, tallow, olive oil, avocados, fatty cuts of meat. These fats nourish and support metabolic health. So here's today's nugget. Eat fat to burn fat, but only when carbs are low. Fuel your body with what it is designed to thrive on. I remember a client who said, I'm always exhausted and tired on keto. It turned out she wasn't eating enough fat, and she stopped skimping on it, and her energy skyrocketed, and she finally stopped snacking. This is very common when people first start keto. So if you're scared of fat, it's time to rethink it. Comment below on your favorite healthy fat. I'll go first. Butter. This is your reminder that you're not broken. You've just been following the wrong advice. I'll see you tomorrow on Truth Bomb Tuesday.